Hello grade 6 students, so today we're going to continue in chapter 2 but lesson 2, forming complex societies. So before we're going to start, we're going to unlock some vocabulary words, and the first word we have is subsist, and subsist means to survive. The second word we have is terrace, and terrace is flat areas built on the slopes of hills and mountains. Now, can you recognize this tool? Yes, it's plow. Plow is a tool used to cut, lift, and turn over the soil. Now we have irrigation, and irrigation is a way to move water to land. Barter, it's like exchange goods or services for other goods or services without using money. Remember, whenever you start using money, it's become a trading and not bartering. Pastoral society, and it's a group of people living as nomads with herds of animals. So by 7000 BC, some farming communities in southwestern Asia that produce surplus food had grown into villages. Do you remember when we said in the last lesson how did the people develop the agriculture? So they started at that time to form into villages. Abu Huraira and Jericho grew into farming villages, and farming villages developed as some farmers produced enough surplus to support more people. Dozens of farming villages grew up in Catalhoyuk, and Catalhoyuk is now in Turkey, and it was an advanced community. These villages were specialized by a permanent house, and their houses were built from baked clay bricks, and people decorate their homes with painting and carvings of women, bulls, and other images. So by 6000 BC, farming had spread to different continents like Europe, Asia, and Northern Africa, and people domesticated a variety of animals and plants for food and clothing. So by 5000 BC, many communities in Asia had mastered agriculture, and villages such as Merag in the west of the Indus River, the people there grew cotton and weave them into cloth, and they used these clothes as and sell them back as a trading. And in northern China, Yangzhou farming culture developed in 4800 BC. And most of these villages were built on terraces overlooking the river valley. Nowadays, some archaeologists have found new artifacts from early farming along the Nile River in northern Africa, and this is because thousands of years the Nile River floods buried a lot of artifacts. And experts believe that farming flourished along the Nile River by 5000 BC. This is all for today. Thank you so much, and we'll continue our lesson next time.